Hello, I'm Alexander Tolkich and the CEO of the project Business Games Club. We created simulations based on the real business cases and business events to help people educate and train their soft skill and behavioral habits. Let's say you want to try to be President Roosevelt, or maybe you want to try something else. I just opened the site where you can purchase license for any separate game. But anyway, after the game is purchased here, you can switch to the app freely found in the App Store or Google Play, and you see here the list of games currently available to users. Let's choose the first one, which is available free of charge with the app installment. You see you can easily choose the language of the game itself. It's separate from choosing the interface language, for we want to give people ability to learn in any language they like. Let's say we use new game for this purpose of testing here, and then the game introduces the plot of scenario. You can have tutorial or skip tutorial of how to play it. Skip it for the sake of time. And here you are in the main interface. The interface is very simple. Usually it presents one or two options to get news on what's going on currently. You see here recent events, so it's just the beginning of the game, so you get info needed to start it. And then you have a number of action menus, like talking to somebody or giving orders, doing something. Here we pretty much try to encompass what real people do in real business or real life. So let's say we want to talk to somebody. Here you have available options, and you see that in the left, the right hand side, you have how much action points it takes. The goal here was to show that in real life you won't have infinite time to do anything. You need to decide what to do in this moment in favor of other things. Let's say we want to talk to mine director, we get his response on the situation as he sees it. You can always zoom in or zoom out of the text depending on the device you have, the quality of your site. Then you can return back, give some orders. Let's say we try to see some info in social media in this case, get response. You see we got one bad decision marker, which made it clear that we did something wrong. So we process, we end the time container, switch to another hour, and then work on. In case we need to change something, like interface language or anything, you have the main menu. Going to my profile, you can sign out, change the login user, or you can go to the main catalog of games and switch to another game. Let's see like the game we made for the Ukrainian Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and continue with another game, training another skill, pretty much with a simple interface we have for every game. So we see it's one application and catalog of games, which then goes on and on. And what we want to build is pretty much as Amazon Kindle, but in the world of business games, simulation, behavioral simulation, and other form of immersive education. Thank you.